y'all? I'm back with another wig review today. Today's wig review is another headband wig, and I got this from hairtobeauty.com. Her name is Bridgette. This is what the stock card looking like. Okay, so for this one, I have her in the color DR2/BL Sandy Blonde Sandy Blonde, basically. So cap construction is supposed to be like a slip-free headband wig. So when I look inside, it does have 2 combs in the front. And there is one at the bottom here, but there's no, nothing to tighten it up or anything like that. So I wanted to test this theory out. I kind of went on ahead. It does come down, but look at the color on this, y'all. This sandy blonde is beautiful. I went ahead and played with it on my canvas head and, just kind of put it in like a hollow type of thing. So I wanted to test out this Velcro brand since they said it is non-slip. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it, and I'm gonna share you my thoughts with you guys. So I barely even had any shedding putting this on. Barely had any shedding. My thing is, I thought that this would look like the converted cap, because it does have like tracks in the back here when you're trying to do like an up and down ponytail thing. So the con that I have about this is that trying to put it on is a little difficult. I would want something that I could kind of like adjust to it in the back to like tighten it if I need to, but other than that, it looked pretty good if you could finesse it, So you can do like a top bun, you can do up and down, you could just wear it down and just get you a headband to put over it. And voila, there you have it, folks. Just go on about your day. I'm really enjoying this color though, this sandy blonde. This is what's up. This is giving me fall and Christmas and summer vibes right now. So I'm loving it. So Outre did a good job. The only thing about it is just putting it on. Like, I don't want to have to struggle putting this headband wig on. I want it to be the easy, smooth process for me to put this on and adjust to my head. But that's really it. But other than that, it ain't going nowhere, sis. It's not going nowhere. It's sticking on your head. So this Velcro band right here is sticking on your head. It's not going nowhere. All right, you guys. Thanks so much for watching the Red One TV. Like, subscribe, and share to my channel. You guys have an awesome day.